To erase the Z Fold 6, I will show two ways. The first way, if you're selling your phone or if you want to wipe everything, we will start by opening Settings, then scroll all the way down until you see General Management. Then scroll to the very bottom and select the Reset option. Scroll to the bottom again and we will see the Factory Data Reset. The reason why I recommend using Settings, I'll cover if your phone screen isn't working in a second, but this removes all of your accounts. If we do the second method, which doesn't require the touchscreen, it won't remove your Google account from the phone. So to proceed, we scroll to the bottom again, we select the Reset option, and then we enter in our login. There'll be one more reset button, you tap that, and that will wipe all your data. Now the second way is for if your touchscreen is not working, but note you don't want to do this if you're selling a phone, as it will require you to enter in a Google account. So we will start by connecting the phone to a computer or an Android. This is a necessary step. I will now do a key combination, so I'll show it first and then we'll do it together. So we press and hold power and volume down for 10 seconds, then release. Then we press and hold power and volume up until we see the Samsung logo for a full second, then we release. So pause the video, prepare your phone. I will begin in 3, 2, 1. Press and hold power and volume down. Keep these two held down, do not release. I'll start counting now. 7, 8, 9, 10. Release power and volume down. Now press and hold power and volume up. And we're going to wait until we see the Samsung logo show for a full second. If this doesn't work for you, try it multiple times, but your cable must support data transfer, so you will need to buy a more premium cable if this isn't working. So we see the Samsung logo, now we can release. So this will enter us into recovery mode and the touchscreen is disabled. So you use volume down and up to navigate, and then you click the power button to select. So navigate to wipe data / factory reset, and this does show the warning I mentioned earlier, and click the power button to select. Then click volume down and click the power button to start the factory reset. It will then bring you to this screen, and then click the power button to reboot your system.